Easy definition of homeopathic pharmacy. It is an art and science of identifying, collecting, compounding, combining, preparing, preserving, and standardizing drug and medicine from vegetable, animal, mineral kingdom and certain physiological substance and morbid substance according to homeopathic principle as given in the Organon of Medicine, Materia Medica Pura, and chronic disease, and also dispensing medicine according to the prescription of the homeopathic physician. Short MCQ type question from pharmacy. How many branches are there in homeopathic pharmacy? Answer. There are two branches of homeopathic pharmacy. Number 1, pharmacy proper. Number 2, galenical pharmacy. What is the source of homeopathic pharmacy? The main source of homeopathic pharmacy